Prophets in Islam series. 25 prophets, one message, one God. Number 20. Al-Yasa alayhis salam. Name: Al-Yasa alayhis salam. Birth and background: exact birth location and date unknown. Lived after Prophet Ilyas alayhis salam, possibly during the reign of rebellious kings in Bani Israel. Known for continuing the mission of Tawheed and moral reform. Lineage: believed to be from the descendants of Prophet Yusuf alayhis salam, successor and disciple of Prophet Ilyas alayhis salam. Lived in the land of Sham, Greater Syria. Family and personal life: no authentic details about his wife or children are preserved. Known for his worship and pious character. Dedicated his life to preaching and reform. Prophethood: appointed as a prophet after the departure of Ilyas alayhis salam. Called his people to worship Allah and abandon disobedience. Faced a rebellious and morally corrupt community like his predecessor. Miracles: according to scholars, some scholars mention he was granted miracles like controlling rain, healing the sick, and reviving the spiritually dead. Not explicitly mentioned in Quran or Hadith, but derived from early narrations. Israeliyat: mention in the Quran, mentioned by name in two surahs, Surah Al-An'am, Surah Sad. Praised by Allah as among the excellent. And remember Ismail, Al-Yasa, and Zulkifl. All were among the best. Lessons from his life. Continuity in Dawah. He carried forward the mission of Ilyas alayhis salam, staying firm in adversity. Being praised by Allah as among the best is a true badge of honor. Death. Exact location and manner of death are unknown. Grave. Some traditions suggest he was buried in Sham. Legacy: left behind the legacy of patience, perseverance, and service to the path of Allah. Key qualities: sabr, patient; mukhlisir, salih, righteous; resolute like his teacher Ilyas alayhis salam. All this is backed by authentic, verified Quran and Hadith only. Kindly like, share, and subscribe for more Prophet facts.